Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in ActiveCampaign. Tags are incredibly useful for organizing your contacts and segmenting your audience based on specific behaviors, interests, or characteristics, making your email marketing much more targeted and effective. First, open your web browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you manage multiple ActiveCampaign profiles. After logging in, you'll land on your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various navigation options. Look for and click on Contacts. This section is your hub for managing all your contact-related activities and organization tools. Once you click on Contacts, you'll notice several options appear underneath it. Under the Manage section, locate and click on Tags. This is where all your contact tagging magic happens, allowing you to categorize and organize your contacts in meaningful ways. The tags page will now load, and if you've created tags before, you'll see your existing tags listed here. This gives you a quick overview of all the tags you're currently using to segment your audience. If you're just starting out, this page might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find a button labeled Add Tag. Click on this button to begin creating your new tag. This opens up a simple form where you can define exactly what you want to tag your contacts with. In the field that appears, type the tag name you want to add. This could be anything from newsletter subscriber to webinar attendee or potential customer, whatever makes sense for your contact organization system. Choose something descriptive that you'll easily recognize later. Finally, once you've entered your desired tag name, click the Save button. Your new tag is now created and ready to be applied to contacts in your ActiveCampaign account. And there you have it. You've successfully created a tag in ActiveCampaign that you can now use to organize and segment your contact list more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.